Fire escape engineer summary video Armstead Street, Jamaica Plain. You have a fire escape that has all original square bolts in it. You can see the spacers are gone on the floors. You can see the external rust in the connections. Your brackets are all welded. They're not bolted. You can see the two bolts in the building. Someone has painted the fire escapes. You can see all the rust in the connections. You can see all square bolts, which are original bolts, 50 to 75 years old. You can see the space that's gone in the stairs. You can see the treads, stair bolts are all original square bolt with all kinds of rust in the connection. They're all 50 to 75 year old original hardware. This fire escape needs to be refurbished. 100% rebolted, and all the connections cleaned. All your brackets to the house, all the connections need to be drilled and reinforced to notify the welds, because we cannot verify the welds because of the age of them. See the connection there? It's bolted there, welded there. And you can see the nuts and all the rust in the corner. You can see the bracket there where it's welded together, not bolted. Your rails are welded on, not bolted. You can see your treads. You can see all the rust in the connection in your treads where they need to be. And the rails are 100% welded on, not bolted. You can see the spaces gone there. There's a lot of spaces gone in this fire escape. Bottom stair, the outer piece of flat bar has rusted off because it was probably buried in the snow. The bottom of the stringer is buried, covered with pavement. Have no idea if it's sitting on concrete or not. You can see all square bolts. All bolts in this fire escape are 50 to 75 years old, and this fire escape needs to be totally refurbished. And all your brackets to the house need to have all the connections that are welded, bolted. Someone has just come in and painted this fire escape. It was not refurbished, and you could see there's a lot of rust on the house. It's been a long time since it was painted.